mobimba Makambo mibale bomi mokili mobimba
Makambo mibale bomi mokili mobimba. Aha. Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm looking at the song that you can hear in the background, right? Elenge ya mwasi yako kideko kabola bango soki yako tina kati ya bango Nalikambo ya falanga. So that's the song that I'm looking at today. The song is called Makambo mibale. So Makambo mibale means Solikambo is a problem or an issue. So Makambo will then be problems or issues. So Makambo mibale therefore means two issues or two problems. So I'm going to give you the exact context in the song, but we need to start by saying that Makambo mibale was released by a band calling itself Bantous de la Capitale. So the membership of Bantous de la Capitale, and it should be said that this band was formed majorly from two bands. So there was movement of musicians from two very renowned bands, OK Jazz, that was led by Franco Lambulanzo Makiadi, and Makambo. So members of OK Jazz and Makambo came together in 1959 to form Bantous de la Capitale. So just some of the members, not all, but just some of the members that belong to this band. One of them was Nganga Edo, then there was Michelle Boybanda, there was Pamelo Muka, and Pamelo Muka is the one who actually composed this song. Is it the one? No, I'll find out, I'll tell you that shortly. So then there was Pamelo Muka, there was Jean Sage Suz, then there was Celestine Kuka, and Cosmos Montari. Now this song was actually composed by Cosmos Montari, and so the basic message in the song is that they're talking to a boy child. They're telling a man about something, about two problems that that afflict, that face men. So the song is called Makambo mibale.
Makambo mibale bomi mokili mobimba
Makambo mibale ebomi mokili mobimba. The two issues, the two problems that kill the whole world. Makambo mibale ebomi mokili mobimba. So the two problems, the two issues that really destroy the world, that kill the whole world.
Libosonde likambo ya falanga.
Libosonde likambo ya falanga. The first of those issues is money. So falanga is money.
Yamibale likambo ya basi baning.
Yamibale likambo ya basi. So there are only two problems that kill this world. There are only two problems that make this world go round and round and round and round. The first one is falanga, which is money, and then the second one is basi, women. So he says, Baninga botia matoi, makambo mibale ebomi mokili mobimba, ya libosonde likambo ya falanga. The two things that kill this world, the first one is money. Ya mibale likambo ya basi. The second problem that kills this world is women. Baninga botia matoi. So my friends, please listen. Soki bana mibali balingani lokola bakufa. If you have two friends, if you have two friends who are males, and they are very close to each other, they are very friendly to each other, they are very close and tight friends. elenge ya mwasi akoki ndeko kabola bango soki akoti na kati ya bango. That a beautiful woman can easily separate them. So they are very good friends, you know, very tight. But if a beautiful woman shows up in the picture, the fellas will start fighting.
Nalikambo ya falanga nakanisi bino moko boyebi.
Nalikambo ya falanga nakanisi bino nyoso boyebi. And you know about money, I think that all of you know.
Malamu baninga bokeba ho.
Malamu baninga bokeba. So it is better, friends, if you can be careful about these two issues. Just beware of the two issues. First one is likambo ya basi, the issues of to do with women, and then the second one is falanga. So I know that you know the two, so please be very careful.
Na yebiteo soki bokodutela maloba mangai nakanisi peteo.
Naebite soki bokodute maloba mangai nakanisi mpete. You know, I don't know if you will doubt what I'm saying, but I don't think you'll doubt. I don't think that you are in doubt of the things that I'm saying. Soki bana mibali balingani lokola bakufa elenge ya mwasi akokindeko kabola bango soki akoti na kati ya bango. If you have two very good friends, very tight male friends who have been together for long, they've been doing so many things together, it takes a woman for them to be separated.
Nalikambo ya falanga nakanisi bino moko boyebi.
Nalikambo ya falanga nakanisi bino nyoso boyebi. And I mean, to do with the money, I think all of you know the problems that money does to relationships and friendships.
Malamu baninga bokeba ho.
Malamu baninga bokeba. So you know what, my friends, beware, be careful about this.
Na yebiteo soki bokodutela maloba mangai.
Naebite soki bokodutela maloba nanga. I don't know if you will doubt what I'm saying, the things I'm saying.
Nakanisi peteo.
Nakanisi mpeteo. No, I also think you will not doubt. I also don't think that you will have a problem with the things that I'm saying. Makambo oyo kotia tembete baninga bangai. And you know the things that I'm saying, do not doubt them. Don't doubt the things that I'm saying.
Kene pai ya bazuzi makambo bako samba kamususu yango oyo.
Kende epai ya basuzi makambo bako sambaka mususu yango. And you know, go to the judges. Listen to the cases that they solve every day. Many of the cases revolve around what I'm saying. You know, it's about money, it's about women.
Likambo toko wela kalikambo ya mbongo na basi ebo mambuka.
Likambo toko wela kalikambo ya mbongo na basi ebo mambuka. You know, the things that we keep on fighting for, the things that we die for, are actually the women and money. And these are the things that kill our country.
Baninga mibali ho toke baka.
Baninga mibali toke baka. So my friends, my male friends, let us be careful. Let us, you know, beware. Beware of what? La vie est un combat. That life is all about. It's a fight. That life is really a fight. A fight about what? Just two problems. Makambo mibale. Ya libo sonde likambo ya basi, ya mibale likambo ya falanga. That women and money. Na makambo oyo kotia tembete. Do not doubt the words that I'm telling you, the things that I'm saying.
Baninga bangai
my friends, baninga banga, my friends. So do not doubt what I'm saying.
Kene pai ya bazuzi
Kende epai ya basuzi. Go to the judges, go to the juries, the people who make decisions in matters that are, you know, before courts of law.
Makambo bako samba kamususu yango.
Makambo bako samba kamususu yango. That among the things that they judge, they make judgments upon, are the ones I'm talking about. Likambo ya basi na falanga. They're the problems of women and money.
Likambo toko wela kalikambo ya mbongo na basi eko mambuka.
likambo tokoelaka, likambo ya mbongo na basi ebombaka. You know, the two things that we keep on fighting for, you know, whether it's women, whether it's money, they're the things that destroy, that kill this world. So that's actually how the song ends, and so basically that is Makambo, mibale, ebomi, mokili, Makambo, mibale. That's the name of the song. Like I said, it was done by Cosmos Muntwari. By the way, is the brother to Pierre Muntwari, the one who did Miss Sengi and other.